The desktop bubble paper dispenser was launched in September 2022 and is the world's first desktop bubble paper system. It is mainly being used to produce new equipment with special concave and convex surface bubble paper. The bubble paper produced by this machine can be used to replace the application of plastic bubble cloth in cushioning packaging. Most of the foam presses currently on the market are very huge and can only be worked in a dedicated factory. Therefore, the market can only provide the finished bubble paper for the user, resulting in a waste of space during transportation and increasing transportation costs. The desktop bubble paper dispenser can make the bubble paper freely as it required, and you only have to bear the cost of consumables, which can save the transportation costs. It is compact in size, good in mobility, and does not take up space. 2 layers of paper can also be used for added strength. Can be used in multiple working environments such as offices. Production line. Spare parts warehouse. Delivery warehouse and other workshops. A great contribution and value to cushioning environmentally friendly packaging. We safeguard your commodities and goodwill.